Welcome back, guys, to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox a USA currency of bills, silver and more. Let's start. So I bought this on Whatnot. If you don't know what is Whatnot, I'm gonna put it in the description, so you should go and buy there more because it's so good. Alright, so after opening the box, I found these inside. This is so crazy. This is so good unboxing. So the first ones are the bills from the United States, India States of United States. That one is from Venice, from 1800s, the 1800s, the Bank of Venice. Those are actually not known. I haven't seen a lot talking about them, but I got like $3, $5, $2 and $1. Everything on $130 cash that I bought them. Bank of Venice, and those like from the 80s of 90. This is really old. You can see like those here, all of these graded, not really graded, but you can see all the designs. You can see over here there's Liberty. That one is not Liberty, that's a guy with an axe. And here you can see the town of Venice. And here you can see, yeah, Liberty. But look, it's so really old. So really old, yeah. Not everything is perfect, but good price for it, right? The second one is the SD Bullion. I bought it for investment. I'm just investing in coins. So these are, yeah. Alright, that one's some 90% silver coins. Let's see. Alright, got a little bit more there. We got some Franklin $50. As you can see them, 90% silver. Some Mercury dimes, $50. Yeah, feel like a cowboy. Yeah. All right, guys. So that's right now that what I bought, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Make sure to comment, subscribe, and let me know if you want to know some more details about those banknotes. Scout, I'll see you in the next video.